this afternoon. So a friend of my husband have birthday today. So happy birthday! What's the name? Yvonne. Happy birthday to Yvonne. Big shout out to you. Hope you have a wonderful day today.
Yeah. Happiest birthday.
Okay, lumalabas na yung mga water. There's some water coming out from the meat, but we need this water to make the meat tender. Haluin lang natin. So, baliktad para yung sa ilalim mapunta naman sa ibabaw. Are you wondering why the water is like color pinkish? It's because of the alamang of the shrimp fry, shrimp paste. Hingi na. Mas madali sana to kung may pangtakip tayo. Wala kaming pantakip. We have no lid on the same size of this wok. Walang malaking kaldero. So, baliktarin naman natin. Baliktad. Mahirap magano kapag maraming karne. I don't know kung ilang kilo kaya ito. Ilang kilong pork. Medyo matagal-tagal din to make the pork meat tender. We have to be patient waiting for the meat to be tender. Mega love shout out to 15 live viewers and to 1 like. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Marami ng tubig, oh. More water. Dami ng tubig. Anyway, mamaya mauubos din ng tubig nito. Palambutin kasi natin ang karne. Palambutin natin ang karne.